So let's switch over to the charts. Alright, we are on the 1 hour right now, and 1 hour looks pretty damn good. So yeah, this is we had a retrace here, made a new high, and we had another retrace here, and we directed off of it. So I like that for buys, and 50 minute as well. So let's look at the 5 minute, what we got here. I've been rejecting off of this area, and we even had like a little pump up retrace. So this is actually a 1 minute. Let's switch over to 5 minutes. Yeah, so again, we have been rejecting off of this low here, so I think we're gonna have an uptrend, right? Start an uptrend right now, at least for this high here. But yeah, let's wait for this close at least, and then hope for another trade. See if we can get a little bit of retrace down here, and then enter. Yeah, this candle closes in 14 seconds. So yeah, let's see at the moment, see if we can get an entry here. I think I'll go along actually on 3 contracts here right now. Take profit up here. I'll bring this one up a little bit. My stop loss here. So let's see how this trade's gonna end up. Yeah, maybe was a little impatient here. Should have waited maybe a little bit more, but let's see how this is gonna roll. I still think we're gonna go up again. Whoa, that is a big 5 minute red candle. Now that I said this, should be patient. I remember one thing. Tuesday and Wednesday are have always been losing days for me, so maybe I should have waited for a little better setup. But let's see. If it's a loss, whatever. It's just another lesson. So Alright, that would be nice if this candle could actually close in green. Like, it has a big rejection of that. I still think it won't break that low. I think this is a very strong low here. So yeah, let's see what we're gonna get. Alright, that 5 minute close, and it's not a bad close. I mean, it is not too terrible though. So let's see if we can get a little pump here. At least get one trade going here. Alright, there we go. We have a nice green candle. So let's hope we can close this up, because this is in the first minute. So don't be in another spike just to sell off again. Like I've been saying a lot in the evenings, we have those spikes and then we get an immediate retrace and a sell off to the opposite direction. So let's hope this is not the same thing again. Alright, we need to keep that momentum. We need to keep that momentum. If that momentum is gonna stop, then this guy will get ugly real quick. So we need to keep that momentum up if this trade's gonna be a winner. Alright, that is looking pretty damn good, that trade. So let's see if we can at least hit one take profit. I hope this doesn't turn into a double top. This zone here is my only concern right now. If we get to break that, then we got a lot of upside. All right, let's switch over to the 1 minute and see what's there. Looks like they're struggling to break this high here, which doesn't surprise me actually. But let's hope. Let's see. Hopefully they can break it soon. Pretty soon. All right, here we go. Looks like they're trying to break it. It would be nice if this would be another winning day. Like, I've had 3 winning days in a row right now. And I don't think I've had like that many winning days in a row, especially not in good trades, so let's see. Hopefully this can be a winning day. It would be nice if we could have 3 winning days or even 4, like a whole week. Hold on, we've had 3 winning days. So this is the 4th winning day. Even better. Hopefully we can have another winning day. That would be so nice if we could have 4 winning days. Break that curse. I literally have, let's see, in March. Oh yeah, in March I've had a winning Tuesday, actually $140 one day. But I literally have not had, other than just in one day in March. I'll show you that. Let's show you guys that. Come on. So yeah, if you look at this, let's switch this over here. In March, I've actually had 1 winning day here, like $140, and then Wednesday losing day, and here every single day has been losing day. Actually, this day, Wednesday, also I've had a few winning days, but other than that, Tuesday and Wednesday have always been losing days. So hopefully we can change that today. I really hope so. Let's put this back up here again. That is looking very good. That 1 minute candle. This 5 minute close down here actually a few minutes ago already, so this is looking good. I'm hoping for this 1 minute to touch there to hit my first take profit, but it didn't. So yeah, we got still on a 5 minute. We still got 3 minutes, so let's be patient and wait for it. Hopefully, I can take out my first take profit and the other one. I actually might bring this one down. Most likely, will stop me at a break even again, but whatever. So yeah, let's be patient and see what the market's gonna give us today. Alright. Let's look at the woman again. We had one red candle, which is fine. I'm just hoping this one does not have this big wick on top over there, because we're going into this zone here. So I don't really want to retrace. I'll move break even right now. Protect my money. Because for some reason, if we go break even now, if it doesn't manage to break out, it will eventually break out, I think. But if it doesn't break out right now, like soon, then I don't really want to be in this trade, because then it can keep on consolidating this area. So yeah, let's wait. Yeah, that is not a pretty 5 minute. Don't got a lot to say here, but that's quite a big wick on top. It looks like this one might actually go up, so let's hopefully it actually does. Alright, it looks like it wants to stop me out, which is okay, which I don't really... Trying to tell myself I don't really care, and actually this time I don't really care if it stops me out at break even. Like, it's... I entered my trade, I followed my setup, stops me break even. It is what it is, it's the market. You won't have every single day a winning day. As long as you follow your probabilities, then you will be profitable at the end.
Stop field.
Ooh, that is a big red candle there. But it only stopped me out at $4.50 profit actually, so I don't really care about the stop loss right now. And honestly, it's the show to 15-minute. Yeah, we're in this consolidation zone. We have this area up here. I'm not used to use trading. We have been using trading for a long time. In this area, that area there, so it's a bit of a, like, you have two boxes there. So which box are you gonna trade off of now? So that's why I moved to break even, and I didn't really care if it would stop me out, because yeah, it would have stopped me out by now. So I'm glad I took the money I could, and that's a big red candle. Like, yeah. Do we have any news for today? I actually didn't even check. Usually we don't have any news in the evenings, especially on Mondays. No, we don't. So no idea what this move is. What the heck is this? What do we got going on here right now? This is ridiculous. Like, look, this is a regular candle. We have these candles. And I am almost guaranteed within the next 5 minutes, we're gonna have all of this recovered back again. Maybe not. Maybe we'll have sell off, but let's watch this. Let's watch this. Almost guaranteed they're gonna take this profit back. Almost guaranteed. Alright, let's keep watching this. See if they're not gonna recover that. Maybe not, I might be wrong. It doesn't always happen, like, it's not guaranteed, but there's a high chance they might actually recover all of that. So let's wait. Let's switch back to the 1 minute and let's look at this. All right, there we go. I was wrong about that. Actually, not gonna recover that. This is an insane sell-off. What we're having right now. Like, yeah. Another thing to learn off here right now. At least I didn't lose money on this one, which I'm very happy that I didn't. But that's just. Any idea what to learn on this right now here? I think we're just having a retrace for more entries. And I might be wrong, but I honestly think this is not a real sell-off. Like, I really think we're gonna, after this retrace, we're gonna go back up again. So yeah, that is it for me today. Lamborghini. I'll show you guys. So yeah, let's go here. Yeah, made $4.50. So that is it for today. Talk to you guys tomorrow.